In front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autorotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now look for autorotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turns blue. That means that autorotation is enabled. But you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!